There's a funny little fellow with a mushroom on his head. His name is Mr. Pink, and he paints the ocean red. Things are never normal, as one might think. Strange things happen when there's a Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink, Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea. Sometimes strange, sometimes grand, sometimes just bizarre. The most silliest things happen from near to far. Pink stems nod in rhythm, while green caps softly swoon. Oh, Mr. Pink, our funny friend, come dance beneath the moon. Mr. Pink, Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea. The mushrooms jump to the beat, the seaweed dances too. Odd things happen in the pink and green beneath the blue. Mr. Pink just laughs and twirls, content as he can be in his pink and green underworld beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, what everybody wanna burgetti. I got a green, the pink and green beneath the blue. Mr. Pink just laughs and twirls, content as he can be in his pink and green underworld beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, the whatever wanna burgetti. I get a green, the pink and green beneath the blue. Mr. Pink just laughs and twirls, content as he can be in his pink and green underworld beneath the sea. Mr. Pink, Mr. Pink, how curious things can be in the pink and green beneath the sea.